Ma'am and Sir. My name is Loida B. Lopez. I am 37 years old. My height is 150 centimeter and I am 52 kilograms. I am a single parent and I have 3 children. Their age is 16, 11, and 2 years old. I have 2 sisters and I am the youngest of the family. I have 4 years experience in my country. My job is doing housework, cleaning, and ironing, taking care of children. Their age is 3 and 6 years old. I prepare their needs and bring them to school. I am good in cooking and cleaning, taking care of babies, children, elderly, and bedridden. I can accept any kind of work. I agreed 1 day off in a month. I promise to work hard, loyalty, and honesty, and follow all the instructions. I am looking forward to work with your family. I need to support my family. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.